Hello, welcome to the Virten Prompt Library. This product is to help you become more streamlined, effective, and downright good at using an AI to help you create a website or software. There are prompts in here that will blow your mind with what kind of amazing power you can get out of that AI and harness thanks to the Virten Prompt Library where you found those prompts. So that's my goal, that's my main design goal, and I believe I achieved it in version 1.0 of the Virten Prompt Library. So I'm very happy to be able to tell you about this product today. You might have noticed some of the details, color-coded navigation elements to help you get around the application. A prompt snippet copy to clipboard button so you can quickly access, copy, and paste one of my prompts designed to be added to the end of your message to the AI. So for example, say you just specified a great feature that you want in your application. You want it to create this beautiful new showcase. You detailed everything about the showcase, and you just know that you don't want to press enter and send that message to the AI yet, because you just know that AI is going to overlook something, it's going to make an assumption, and it's going to build the wrong thing, or it's going to use the wrong part of the code, and it's going to come out wrong, and you're going to have bugs. All right, so what do? You wrote your big, great message to the AI for your new feature. You go to the Virten Prompt Library, and you go to the Combination Prompts category, and you select the implementation, code name the implementation prompt, code name it, and you copy paste that prompt in. It tells the AI, make sure you look at all the details of the code base, read the documentation, AI. If you need more than one turn to perform the implementation, tell me, and I can tell you continue. And when you're done with the implementation that we discussed here, tell me that you're done with it, with the code name for the implementation. Additionally, you could use the code name plus implementation prompt. Not only do you get all the features of the code name prompt, but you also invite the AI to ask you clarifying questions before it even starts coding. Based on what you wrote in your detailed message to the AI, it will ask you questions clarifying it to build its understanding. So you simply reply to those questions, send that message, and boom, it goes on with your code-named implementation. That's the kind of power available to you when you have a subscription to the Virten Prompt Library. And there are many other prompts. You can see that there are several categories there on the screen. 4 categories. The prompts are organized into chat instructions, combination prompts, document creation, and fun and marketing prompts, respectively. And there are some really fun prompts in there. You can get some great stories out of the AI, help you build a marketing base for SEO terms, for blog posts. The rest of the category of fun and marketing is concerned and composed of prompts, serious prompts, to specify your brand voice so you can consistently get a brand voice from the marketing department of that AI. So when you ask it to make a blog for your product, or you ask it to make a sales copy for the product, you use the brand voice prompt where you already filled in the blanks to say this is how it should sound every time you talk about marketing my company. And that's what you do for the AI. And then the AI can give you something that sounds like really authoritative or really playful and fun, and you can have that consistently if you get that brand voice prompt through the Virten Prompt Library in the Fun and Marketing section. And there's lots of other prompts just to help you code your software and develop things. This we see as the clarifying messages prompts. Powerful stuff. So I hope you will come and check us out. In fact, it's very easy. You just visit our website at virten.app and find your way to the Virten prompt library. There at the Virten prompt library homepage at vpl.virten.app, you will get the full rundown on the features and the pricing, and you can get your login and subscribe and start using the Virten prompt library in your next session coding with the AI's help. So I appreciate you coming and seeing us at the website. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Founder T. You can read some of my Virten development blogs also at the Blogs Center, reachable through the virten.app homepage